every month till 24 months. Results we are taken from August, that is December 2005, a total of 600 patients, and I explained you all those things, and there was no significant difference in the baseline characteristic between the two groups symptomatic like burning feet, numbness and pain in limbs, lethargy, obesity and depression. With India Noni Plus we have started, there is a results are 96% of goodness happened with India Noni as compared with 65% is only OHS alone. Next slide please. The incidence of improvement quality of living in type 2 diabetes mellitus was more in the India Noni, as I just now shared with you, and there is no adverse reactions were seen either group. Initially, few cases, first 3 months there is an increase in hyperglycemia, that is high blood sugar levels, but over the time the sugar levels start coming down. Here is the criteria we have taken the people in this criteria. Like most of you can see the BMI is more than 33, that is almost obesity, and the HDL count was very less, cholesterol was very high. I am not going to details all those things, you can see all those things because there is lack of time, I am unable to explain all those things. Next slide please. In the year 1, you can see the diastolic blood pressure is coming down as compared with Indian Noni, is much better than OHS alone. LDL count is coming down and HDL is improving. Surprisingly, only with OHS alone is increasing more than Indian Noni, and triglyceride levels are come down drastically, and there is good improvement in waist circumference. Many people there is inches of this truncal obesity has decreased with Indian Noni, inches within months of time. In diabetes, as a consultant diabetologist, we see very important goals to our patients. That is 4. That is A, B, C, D. Not only diabetic, who are here sitting here in their chairs want to live 100 plus years, you have to maintain these goals. A stands for HbA1c less than 6.5%. You can make a note of it. HbA1c less than 6.5%. And B stands for blood pressure. It should be less than 130/80. C stands for cholesterol. And there is a good cholesterol and bad cholesterol. Good cholesterol is HDL should be more than 50. This increases only with physical activity. And bad cholesterol is LDL. It should be less than 100. And the triglyceride should be less than 150. And D stands for desirable weight. That is height in centimeters minus 100 is equal to ideal body weight. If you maintain this, I can guarantee you can live 100 plus years without any complications. Percent of patients showing, you can see here the bar, the 96% is improvement with Indian Noni. Next slide please. Conclusion. In the treatment of type 2 diabetes mellitus, efficacy of Indian Noni is better than OHS alone. Quality of living, significant improvement in laboratory investigations. Furthermore, cardiovascular risk factors were improved with Indian Noni with sustained and significant better improvement than OHS alone. Next slide please. Zeronate, the alkaloid of Noni in the presence of insulin activates the peripheral cell membrane. Insulin receptors helps for the normal absorption of glucose. It's a low glycemic index of 3:1, that is ratio of carbohydrate and fiber in Noni juice helps to balance blood glucose levels. Noni modifies the body immune system to keep sensitivity of beta cells intact and body develops resistance to many diseases, my dear friends. Noni helps in reducing anxiety because most of the diabetic patients are depressed patients. This is a rich in serotonin levels, lessens the stress response to the same, some extent elevating serotonin levels. Next slide please. In this research in diabetic practice, it is learned that several micronutrients are normally deficient in patients with full-blown diabetes, but our Noni is richest source